Why does your scanner show the P0877 engine code? What does it mean? P0877 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch D circuit low. This engine code indicates that this means the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a transmission fluid pressure reading that is lower than expected, indicating an electrical issue in the sensor's circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low transmission fluid level. Failing transmission fluid pressure sensor. Wiring or electrical problems. Transmission internal issues. Overheating transmission. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture. Since 1996, it is commonly found in Chevrolet models like the Impala and Traverse. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.